Goodwill brings to you the weekly updates in the stock market for the third week of December. Ultratech Cements has commissioned 1.9 million tons per annum greenfield clinker-backed grinding capacity at Poly Cement Works, Rajasthan. The company, along with its subsidiary, now has 16.25 million tons per annum cement capacity in Rajasthan over 5 separate plant locations, and its total cement manufacturing capacity in India stands at 121.35 million tons per annum. General Atlantic Singapore Fund Pte Limited has sold 564 crore rupees stake in the company via open market transactions. The fund offloaded 31.15 lakh shares in IIFL Wealth at an average price of 1,810.09 rupees per share. TVS Motor Company plans to launch Euro 5 two-wheelers in Turkey. The company will further strengthen its presence in Turkey with products like TVS Jupiter, TVS NTO RQ Race Edition, TVS Raider, and TVS Apache RTR 204V, which will be Euro 5 compliant. Adani Transmission has incorporated its wholly owned subsidiary Adani Cooling Solutions. The new arm will carry on district cooling system business. Axis Bank has received board approval for allotment of 12,000 non-convertible, Basel III compliant Tier 2 bonds Series 30 of the face value of 1 crore rupee each. The total fundraising would be 12,000 crore rupees at a coupon rate of 7.88% per annum payable annually on a private placement basis. Bayer CropScience temporarily discontinued operations at crop protection formulations plant at Himmatnagar in Gujarat, with effect from December 12. This is after the directions from the Gujarat Pollution Control Board. Comet Hotels promoters to infuse 57.19 crore rupees. The company will be issuing up to 58.96 lakh warrants each convertible into one equity share within 18 months at a price of 97 rupees each, aggregating up to 57.19 crore rupees on a preferential basis to promoters and members of the promoter group and non-promoter person. Wipro signs multi-year digital transformation partnership with Finastra in the Middle East. The IT services company has announced a partnership with Finastra, a global provider of financial software applications and marketplaces, to drive digital transformation for corporate banks in the Middle East. HPCL gets board nod for borrowing up to 10,000 crore rupees on a private placement basis. The board members approved a proposal for borrowing through further issuance of non-convertible debentures, bonds, or notes, up to 10,000 crore rupees on a private placement basis in the domestic market and in the overseas market. Adani Group on Thursday inaugurated a warehouse facility at its Gangavaram port in Andhra Pradesh. Spread over 11,000 square meters, the new warehouse has a storage capacity of 50,000 metric tons. NITCO reappoints Vivek Talwar as chairman and managing director. The company said board of directors has approved the reappointment of Vivek Talwar as chairman and managing director for further term of 3 years with effect from April 1, 2023. Deepak Fertilizers announces demerger of mining chemicals and fertilizer businesses. The board members of SmartChem Technologies, a subsidiary of Deepak Fertilizers, approved a corporate restructuring plan with the objective of unlocking growth potential of each of the businesses. Kajaria Ceramics Arm forms joint venture with UAE firm to expand business. The company has executed a joint venture agreement between subsidiary Kajaria International DMCC, UAE, and AL Radhath Marble Factory LLC, UAE. Hindustan Foods Limited on Thursday said it has acquired Reckitt Benckiser Health India Private Limited manufacturing facility in Buddi, Himachal Pradesh, for a cash consideration of 156 crore rupees, aimed at expanding its healthcare and wellness business. Fertilizers and chemicals was trading 69.81% up in this week. As we can see in the charts, with the weekly time frame, stock was trading with net volume of 7 crores 91 lakhs and 91,000. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 147.35 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. Stock was able to touch new levels this week, breaking its previous 52-week high. A big green candle can be seen today signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Elixir Capital was trading 51.82% up in this week. As we can see in the charts with the weekly time frame, stock was trading with net volume of 3,07,422. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 46.45 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. Stock was able to touch new levels this week, breaking its previous 52-week high. A big green candle can be seen today signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Cerebra Integrated Technologies was trading 54% down in this week. As we can see in the charts with the weekly time frame, stock was trading with net volume of 6 crore 15 lakhs and 29,000. Also, the stock is trading below its moving average, which comes to 33.90 rupees, which is negative sign for the stock. Stock was making lower lows in the chart, indicating that stock is continuing its downtrend. A big red Maribozu candle can be seen in this stock this week, signifying negativity in this stock in short term. Brady & Morris Engineering Company was trading 18.82% down in this week. As we can see in the charts with the weekly time frame, stock was trading with net volume of 4,336. Also, the stock is trading below its moving average, which comes to 210.65 rupees, which is negative sign for the stock. A big red candle can be seen in this stock this week, signifying negativity in this stock in short term. Now, let's see Nifty and Bank Nifty movement and expectation. Nifty 50 remained under pressure through the week and closed 0.79% lower at 18,269 on December 16th, tracking nervousness in global markets amid growing fears of a recession. For the week, the Nifty shed 228 points. Considering the negative sentiment, the correction can extend further with support at 18,150 to 18,000, a break of which can add to the pressure. The hurdle on the upper end remains at 18,700. The index formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow, which resembled the inverted hammer pattern on the daily as well as weekly charts. Lower top formation on daily charts and double top reversal formation on intraday charts are indicating further downside from the current levels. The Nifty not only broke the important support of 18,400 but closed below it. The next support would be the 50-day simple moving average, or 18,100 to 18,000 levels. The Bank Nifty opened negative at 43,262 and moved in a zigzag fashion. Selling pressure increased in the second half of the session and the index closed 279 points lower at 43,220, forming a long-legged doji candle on the daily frame, which indicates indecisiveness among buyers and sellers about the market trend. While the volatility index India fell by 3.24% to 13.36 levels, giving more comfort to the bulls, maybe after the rising signs of a slow rate hike by the Fed going ahead. The banking index also snapped a 10-week winning streak and closed 1% lower for the week, forming a bearish candle on the weekly scale. If it stays below 43,500, weakness can extend to 43,000 and 42,750 levels, whereas hurdles are intact at 43,500 and 43,750 levels. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.